Alright, so today is my first day back in the machine. Most of my videos will be done with my glasses, trying to show the quality of it, how much easier it is to use it, better than my GoPro. As being a paraplegic operating my 308 excavator, I'm learning to use my elbow right here, like if I need to move. It's one machine I'm pretty happy that we have. Being able to get a lot of work done being paralyzed is one of the biggest struggles I think of when you become paralyzed. Like, what can you do to make money? What can you do to be able to pay your bills at home and all the medical bills that are piling up? And I thank God that I was able to survive, and I was able to develop a skill to where I can survive.
Buddy!
What's up, man?
Buddy!
Hey!
You're back, dude!
Getting it, bro.
Fucking back, bro!
Back, bro.
What
What up, big dog?
can I start on?
Start consolidating piles. So we got our lift, our 259 skid out here. I have two ground guys working with me. This one, the big ends, I'm just gonna pick it into pieces and just break them down like that. And bring those branches over here, lay them down. Usually this is how I do it anyway. It's the easiest way. Just prevent your guys from going in there. First thing I want is safety for my guys. Safety for myself.